how to transfer everything on your old device to a new one without a computer or cable. Changing your smartphone can be easy, but moving all content from the old phone to the new one can be stressful and sometimes tedious. But in the era of different apps and softwares, moving all your stuff from your old device to a new one is easy. I will show you ways of moving all your contents to a new phone without a cable or computer. But before I proceed, I would like to say a very big thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing to my channel. I just surpassed 700 subscribers, and it's all your support and motivation that keeps me going. Thanks a lot. And for those who are yet to subscribe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing video. Now let's proceed with the transfer of your content from old to new phone. All you need is a Wi-Fi network, and ensure both phones are sufficiently charged or plug them into power if batteries are low. For iPhones, iPad and iPod Touch. With Quick Start, you can easily transfer all your content from one iPhone to another. Quick Start occupies both devices, so make sure you choose a time when you won't need to use your current device for several minutes. The new iPhone has to be on setup page and ready to be activated. If not, you need to erase it before you begin. Once you are on the setup page, place both phones close to each other. A screen appears on your current device offering the option of using your Apple ID to set up the new phone. Make sure it's the same Apple ID you want to use, then tap Continue. If you don't see the option to continue on your current device, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. An animation like this will appear on your new device. Hold your current device over the new device, then place the animation in the viewfinder. Wait for a notification that says Finish on new device. If you can't use your current device's camera, tap Authenticate Manually, then follow the on-screen steps. You will then need to enter your current iPhone passcode on the new iPhone. Follow the instructions to set up Face ID or Touch ID. Choose the option to transfer from iPhone, then tap Continue to begin transferring all contents to the new iPhone. Keep both devices near each other and connected to a Wi-Fi network until the data migration process is complete. Transfer time can vary based on factors such as network speed and the amount of data being transferred. For Android phones, with an app called Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, you can transfer all information, settings and apps to your new device without any cable or computer. This app organizes all the information stored on the phone's memory in 3 categories: personal information, contacts, messages, and calendar, multimedia files, music, pictures, and videos, apps along with other documents. To transfer your files using Samsung Smart Switch Mobile, simply go to Google Play Store and download the app on both phones. Once you have Smart Switch on both phones, open the app and select Wireless. Select the category you want to transfer, then browse within it to see if there's a specific file or folder you want to leave out. Select Send option on the old device and select Receive option on the new device when prompted. Samsung Smart Switch works with Wi-Fi, and you'll need both phones to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The process can last 5 to 30 minutes, depending on the size of the files you are moving. Everything will be saved to your new device with exactly the same settings as the old device. This app is very efficient and works on all Android phones. You can also transfer all your files and information from iPhone to Android and vice versa. To transfer from iPhone to Android, download Google Drive on your iPhone, then sign into Google Drive with your Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can create one. Now you need to back up all your contents on Google Drive. Open Google Drive and tap on Menu, then tap on Settings and select Backup. You can select the specific things you want to save or select all to back up all content. Once backup is finished, go to Settings on your iPhone and turn off iMessage and FaceTime. To turn off FaceTime, go to Settings, tap on FaceTime and toggle it off. To turn off iMessage, Go to Settings, tap on Messages and toggle off iMessage. Now sign in on your Android device with the same Gmail account you used during backup. And just like that, it's done. All your contents will be available just where they should be on the Android device: calendar, events, contacts, photos, videos and other documents. To transfer from Android to iPhone or iPad. On your Android device, download Move to iOS app from Google Play Store and make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. After downloading, open the Move to iOS app. Tap Continue and read the terms and conditions, then tap on Agree. Your iPhone has to be on setup page and ready to be activated. If not, you need to erase your iPhone before you begin. Go on with the activation, and once you get to the Apps and Data page, select Move Data from Android. Then tap Continue and wait for a 6 or 10-digit code to appear. If your Android device shows a notification saying you have a weak internet connection, you can ignore it and move on. Enter the given code on your Android device, then your iPhone will create a temporary Wi-Fi network. When prompted, tap Connect to join the network on your Android device. Now wait for the Transfer Data screen to appear. Select the content you want to transfer and tap Continue. Your Android device might show the process is complete. Ignore it and leave both devices until the loading bar on the iPhone finishes. The whole transfer can take a while, depending on how much content you're moving. After the loading bar finishes on the iPhone, tap Done on the Android device. Then tap Continue on the iPhone and follow the on-screen steps to finish setup for your iPhone. All contents from your Android phone, such as contacts, message history, camera photos and videos, photo albums, files and folders, accessibility settings, display settings, web bookmarks, mail accounts, and calendars will be moved to the new iPhone. There is also an app called ShareIt, and with this app, you can transfer all contents from an old phone to a new one. This app works on both Android and iOS devices. The transfer speed is very fast, and all you need to do is download ShareIt on both phones from Google Play Store and App Store.